Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do effective keyword research for Google Ads. So, first of all, go to your Shopify website where you want to find the keywords or you want to find the product that you want to target in Google Ads. So, let's have a look into the product list for my client that I'm targeting, I'm trying to find the target keywords. Now you can see there are a couple of ottomans and there are other kind of beds. So I'm going to select the Ottoman bed for my campaign. So let's type the Ottoman beds in Google search to find out type of bed that we are targeting. As this is in UK, so I just typed in Ottoman bed in UK. Now you can see there are a couple of ads that are running already, and you can also see that there are Ottoman beds ads on this keyword. So let's go to Google Ads. Now go to Keywords Planner and type in the same exact keyword here in Google Keywords Planner. Now if you already have the list of the keywords that you want to target, simply just put them here in search volume and forecast. Otherwise, just go to discover keyword and type in the keywords that you want to, like the main keyword. For example, in my case is Ottoman bed. So just type it in there and hit the get result button, and you will be able to get the estimated volume of this keyword. And also you will be able to see relevant keywords that are relevant to your searches. You will be able to see the details like search average monthly search volume, the competition level, and all that details here in this keyword planner. So use this keyword planner and through different keywords to be able to see different type of keywords that you want to target in Google Ads. So that's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.